This is the latest in dancehall and social media news so far. Vybz Kartel drops his first song since he is out of prison and is now trending on YouTube and is #1 in trending. Comment is now sitting with 1.4 million views. The world boss also made a surprise appearance today at the PNP conference, which had fans talking. Some fans were in their feelings. But Vybz Kartel has always been for the People's National Party. If you did not know, well, now you know. I honestly don't know if this was a good move for him, since some politicians in the People's National Party has been against his music, but let's see how this plays out. This was Lisa Hanna talking against Vybz Kartel's music a couple years ago.
The issue where Kartel's music keeps coming out than any other person, because I haven't heard any new songs from Buju since he has been incarcerated. I think we need to get to the root cause of how the songs are being made, how they're getting out, is there corruption in the prison system, and not only for Kartel. I'm not singling out Kartel alone. I'm singling out all persons across the spectrum who are having an imprint on our children's value systems.
Let us go there. That you say, listen, if you're a convicted robber, felon, murderer, your music not supposed to be played on the public airwaves that we have control over, meaning the public radio spectrum. Yes.
I would prepare to have that discussion.
With a view of
coming to a decision that says in the best interest of our country to set examples. We have to identify what rules are rules and what privileges are privileges.
Vybz Kartel has always been painted as the bad apple, the problem child for our political leaders, and it makes you wonder if he was just locked away, so has to avoid Jamaica's God from getting too much power of the people, which they failed miserably because people still listen to his music religiously. This never fails to amuse me because they said a lot when he was locked in that cage they put him in, and now, all of a sudden, they acting like they were Team Kartel. Like, who are they fooling really? They didn't know Vybz Kartel would use his intelligence to beat them at their own game. Him going to the UK Supreme Court was really a smart move. Besides all that, evidence tampering was enough to show the injustices of the Jamaican justice system. That alone sank their ship. And with the current state of Jamaica, people do not see the changes in the country since the Jamaica Labour Party took control. Anyways, apart from him going to that conference, he also went and made a surprise visit to Club Mecca and fans got excited, and also was a judge on Digicel Rising Stars. Some Labourite fans are still in their feelings about him going to the conference. Here's what one fan had to say.
Kartel. I mind that. Right now, every Labourite you make cut up inside. Every true Gaza fans were Labourite, you make cut up inside. General, you're big on blood clot conference, you're big on the politics we're going there. You're big on bumbo clot Mark Gold in that big red copper color boy there. You know if you make them pussy the jaw out, brother. Whole heap of Labourite. What's a Gaza? You disappoint. Man, I lie. You're big on that. You're a big celebrity where you have fans from both Bumbuckler side, PNP and Labour side. We know say you're PNP. Though, we you never come and rub it and you them face so. What? Brother, a whole heap of we as a blood clot Gaza man who die at it Labour brother, who run with the things, brother. From day one. My vex. Now bumbuckler like teacher, my vex. You're bigger than that. Brother, when me hear say PNP invited them conference, me I say you nah go because you're intelligent more than them. You nah go and you make the bumbuckler PNP them we say no go a blood clot prison, dry out and call at them conference, bro. You go a prison and PNP blood clot government and free up on a Labour government. No matter what people want bumbo clot say. A whole heap of Labour right. Loser for you. Foreign and a blood clot broad, brother. You don't have to go. You have to low politics thing alone, brother. Low that alone. You're big on that. Yo. Your union Vybz Kartel, you're big on that. Gaza, me say, yeah. Me loser for you. I know me alone. Only pa thugs in I ghetto, only pa youth in I ghetto was a labor right now. Loser for you. Only pa girl was a labor right. What Gaza fans, them loser for you. I don't expect say you are gonna do that, Kartel. I never expect that for you because you're very intelligent, bro. You should never make PNP and the big belly, a big ugly red copper color boy mark goal in them jaw you out, brother. Come like you lose it or blood clot something. Brother, we are stand up for Bumbuck like Gaza from day one. Gaza, we say. Just like we are labor right. You understand? We're not switch. Brother, you should never go a conference. Remember, you come boy and say, you're not, and you do song and say, yo, you're not just red and orange or this and that and that and that. Now you're going in a middle of blood clot PNP. Eh? Brother, we know say Waterford come from a PNP era. Remember, Passive Fort, Gregor Park, me represent, Labour right, same speed. But what? You big and bumbleclad the politics thing the cartel. You know if you run back at some liquor man, Mark Gold in them big like you. PNP party them big like you. You know if you run go to conference, brother. Low that alone. Cause you them was a Gaza. While labor right and the girl them lows off for you. Me lows off for you. You have to allow that alone, the music, brother. Low politics, the music. You have fans on the boat bumbuckler side. What you do? You fuck up your thing now. Remember me tell you. You have fans on the boat side, bro. You don't have to go there, so. Right now, me cut up inside. Me a die-hearted labor right and me nah switch. You know matter if a blood clot Jesus Christ PNP come with. Me a labor right straight. Andrew Wallace, big up yourself. Me still a say you're the best blood clot Prime Minister Jamaica ever see. And who na see that them bumbuckler blind. Big ugly blood clot copper color red boy, them can run the country. If we saw him can run. The big blood clot, big red copper color boy when I come from boy, him on boots up. You understand? Big up me MP, you know, big Rob Miller. Big up yourself, you know. Big up the whole of Bumbuckler, Portmore MP, them two, you know, Turlang and every MP, you know. Big up on yourself, you know, labor right. We there. Show a labor right to the world. Cartel, loads off of you as a Gaza man. Big man thing, loads off of you. Loads off of you, brother. If you cut me, you don't find no blood in me. You see me? You understand?
What are your thoughts? Should he still show allegiance to the People's National Party after they showed clearly they tried to ban him on the airwaves? Let me know in the comments. Dancer and social media influencer Jazz Highflame decided to pop the question to her man Matthew, and some fans were indifferent about her being the one to propose. For the traditional girlies, this move was just making her look like the man in the relationship. Some people think that at her age, which is 19, she is looking a bit desperate. What's the rush for her to ask a man to marry her? It should be the other way around. Here are a couple of things that was said.
Of all the things them you could do with your money, you take it by and bring for man. You know that every day by day, you just make life harder for me. I make love and relationship and them something that harder for me. I'm tired to come over here and preach to Uno. Do not give Uno all to man. Do not do it. Here we go again. In your young green days, after you say you reach 30, 35, you say, alright, man, I don't buy you. So you have to just do it, you have to do it. Even at 25. Even 25. Girl, don't piss me off. Please.
Mothers, we need to do better with our girl child. Because why does a 19-year-old feel the need to say she's supposed to propose? Like, what is going on in the ear? I'ma blame it to that big old man them on TikTok, you know. Because the breed I love man is him. Because sip on TikTok, I eat a rub off by the little girl them. Because when I try hard, I wanna love man bad and the things they wanna do forget man pan ear. Me have to blame me big people them because Jazz is a child. Jazz, you're young, you're still in your teenager, you're supposed to be in your soft girl era. You know, you're supposed to marry, like, I got married at 19, so there's nothing wrong with getting married young or whatever it's supposed to be. But let the man initiate it. Let the man initiate it. You, as a little girl, where you go out of your way, I do this for. Oh my God, and then she have vexed and I say, how much we must congratulate her. Congratulate you for what? I know you will congratulate, we must congratulate Mrs. Matthew. I'm gonna ask him what kind of dress he might go pick out. Why? Because you robbed the man of his masculinity right there and then. Like, come on, girl. What is going on? Me not even know if to say. Maybe hoovered. My hope say a prank, she a prank way. I hope it is a social experiment. Maybe Matthew proposed to her first and she just want to give him back a ring or something, because nothing could have go so. Nothing could have go so.
Why the fool no leaves tight to old Matthew and big body Jazz? Hey? So hold on, how did it feel like a Matthew the blood clot man in the relationship? A Jazz? Tight to old Matthew. Matthew with the title.
While some people are in their feelings, others gave their full support.
Me say, he can't act me for them woman, yeah? He act me for them, If you know so, no love you, no other that. Same like how you love the man and the man love you. If a man can propose to you, it's not a problem for your woman propose to them man too. If you understand, no love each other. You see it, you assure him say, yeah, as a woman, you love him. You assure him say, yeah, me love you, babe. Yeah? So me I want to marry you because I love you. Same like a man I say, yeah, me love you, babes. A man I say to you, say, yeah, me love you, babes. Me them married to you. I say my woman love you, man, when they married to you, man. Say me like a man love you, man, they married to you, man. So all these females that come act like they not no things that someone of them move up and go. Because someone don't have the quality for a man married, you know. I a bun on a move and love a girl and your husband. Oh, she want marry that man. Why problem in that? Someone woman does sick, man. Move from you, sir. What I'm doing now.
I honestly think that it is embarrassing if a woman proposes. Like if a man feels like you worship him, he will start treating you badly. But that's just my opinion. There is a ramen noodles scare happening overseas right now. If any chance that you've as of late eaten ramen noodles, it's urgent to remain informed about the most recent review gave by the U.S. Food and Medication Organization, the FDA. In June 2024, the FDA redesigned its underlying review notice for specific ramen noodles. This is the very thing you want to be familiar with. The review and how to guarantee your well-being. The FDA has classified the recall of Sun Noodles, S&S Samini noodles with soup and garnishes as a Class I recall. This is the highest level of recall, indicating a reasonable probability of serious adverse health consequences or even death if the product is consumed. This serious classification underscores the gravity of the issue and the need for immediate action. Even though this recall is in the United States, I really urge Jamaicans to be careful of consuming ramen at this time, because this bacteria found on the noodles is very dangerous.
Yep, a life-ending fatal infection is now growing on ramen noodles, and experts are urging everyone to go to the ER immediately. Citizens were terrified after 5 kids from 5 different families had cooked up ramen, and each of them described feeling like something was eating them from the inside out, and was rushed to the ER and passed away all within a few hours, with the CDC's eerie warning that a third of adults will not make it after getting infected, with children and elderly victims being way higher. Experts were able to trace it back to a horrifying bacteria, saying the infection is able to flourish specifically in ramen given the way it can be handled post-manufacturing. And there's no way to stop it, as the families reported that once they noticed symptoms like diarrhea and vomiting, it was already.
Chris Gale exposes Romeich Entertainment for being bad mind.
I have a problem with Romeich because Romeich have been violating my side of things on a few occasions. He has done it before and he's actually doing it again. I don't know if he's going to carry feelings in some aspect because I'm not using anyone from his team to actually be a part of my party. I know Romeich for 20 years. I put Romeich on the platform, not only I, me and Toto, Marlon, put Ramesh on the platform. We used to call Ramesh India. Now we make Ramesh make money from, we talked about 20 years ago. We put money in a Ramesh pocket. We highlight his brand across the Caribbean, across the globe. So we used to buy Ramesh clothes and we used to floss him clothes and everybody wanted the clothes. But me and Toto, I rock Ramesh. For Ramesh to come now, Ramesh even stopped sponsors from actually sponsoring my party. Can you believe that? When I asked him about that as well, he was like, said, Chris, I'm loyal to the corporates. So for Ramesh to say something like that, it hurt me. I'm talking like 2 years ago, he did that. Best weekend just finished recently. I saw Ramesh at the party. Ramesh said, Chris, I'll never forget what you've done for me. You put me on the map. You did this for me, but yet still, you come and choose a date, like the 21st. Like I said, every man have entitled to do what they want, but I'm just talking about the levels of the thing. I don't have a problem with Ding Dong. I have a problem with Ramesh.
I have heard people talk about Ramesh and his F-up ways before. A lot of them say his heart is corrupt, but to hear Chris talk about it confirms even more. Shebada gets gifted on TikTok live by Nicki Minaj and started tearing up. And he also talks Jada Kingdom and Hannah and her baby father.
Nicki, thank you so very much. Nicki, man.
Because Jada they are yard board and nobody no book her. Nobody don't book her and she they are yard board and she can't even book herself. That's the difference with me and them. I can book myself. Yeah. And she depends who that lift up and if lift up and go home and mother. Go make her mother kick out the belly. And if I go home go use the kitchen where she know. She know if I move around in the Annie kitchen. She know if I sit up on Annie toilet good. And this is she for there. And when you come and not support the child, that's what I'm telling you, say, she encourage all of the boy bad behavior, but one don't know. And she make the boy treat her so. She asks for it. She keep begging for it. She itch upon it because every minute she shows signs of jealousy. And jealous over a boy we're free. Hey, yeah, jealous over Red Bull, baby. Yes, the boy got wings. Is that right, that? Gaya yard. You're willing for them in our house? That nothing much not in. I mean, not disrespect the youth house because they're young. You get what I say? But you're willing to be in a house that belongs to a person that really don't have it like that, just a start life. You're willing for this to be very uncomfortable. You give birth and for your mother, you are alone up in the phone camera. By the time you can't see how to push out the baby, you never can see. Megabytes are take away your vision. It's a blind birth you are planning for him. If the boy is such a germs, why you breed for him? If he's such a dog shit, why you breed for him? Because every time somebody diss him, them diss you all. Every time somebody diss you, them diss your baby. Jada don't have no promising relationship. None. Jada take from cokehead to rock band to Jada take down to the studio. She don't have no relationship that is promising and bouncing. None. Fear tell your man to lift up because every man tell her lift up half of them who dead. The last time we know Jada get sex for your bag. For your bag, one African artist sex for. That me know Jada for. It's a bag she get sex for. I'm not going to talk to lift up. Where's your relationship? Where's your ring? Yeah. It's a bag she gets sex for. Why not the cash? A bag. So Why should she tell my baby father to lift up? Me I said, girl, me like you as an artist, but not as an individual. Me like you as an artist, you know. I love your talent, but you now go tell the boy where dog me and they if you lift up a film house, me anybody to lift up a me. So if you come for deal with me, deal with me. But you see that individual in your background, you're not gonna disrespect him.
I'm going to have to agree with Shebada that Jada did put Hannah in a weird place when she dissed her baby daddy on live. Like, in spite of him disrespecting Hannah, he did not disrespect Jada, and she could have caused that man to abuse her after that live. But every man always think about themselves, even if they say they are being of help. Not saying anything about her gift. She was being kind, but it's the way she dissed Daniel knowing that young man is dark and could end up abusing Hannah that was wrong on all levels.